Morning guys, another bit of 3D printing. Have to wait till we get downstairs to see what it's for.
Hi guys, picked this up in a charity shop a few years back. I think it's a brilliant bit of kit, educational kit. Differential at the back here. Gearbox that we can switch high to low and low to high. I suppose you could loosely call that a clutch. Got pistons going up and down. It was missing the steering wheel, so I 3D printed that. Oh, steering works. The only thing that was left was to sort out this fan blade, which clearly has lost a few blades. So last night I decided to try and 3D print it, and at the same time I thought I'd 3D print a crank handle to go on the same thing, so that you're not putting pressure on the blades if you want to try and turn it. Oh, the other bit I didn't mention, all these bits detach. I won't do it just, I will do it, right. Yeah, they do detach. So you can take them out and build it. Except I just, there we go. Yeah, so you can take the motor out, take the gearbox out, take the back axle out. So, back to where I was. 3D printed this last night. That's going to take a bit of work because that's got support layers under it, so we'll look at that in a minute. Just see if this actually fits. Yes. Oh, I meant to put that on first. Oh, rude words. Right, that goes on there. That goes on there, and I'll actually glue it at the end. And then this goes on here. So we can crank it. Put it in gear. That's high to low. Going the other way. Low to high, so that's low speed. Back wheels we're talking about. And that's high speed. Oh, I like that. Yeah, I will say I'll put a drop of glue in there. I've even put a hole down the middle so I could strengthen it by putting a bit of wire down through there as well, because I'm sure that will break there if you put too much pressure on it. So I'll do that, and I'll get this out. Yeah, nearly all the way there. Oh, done it. Right, that's a little bit mucky where the support layers need to be cleaned off, because that's actually the front. So that fits on there. So that's to replace that. So that needs a bit of filing down to trim it up. Well, I'm rather pleased with the result now. So we got our crank handle. I did put a bit of wire up the middle of it just to reduce the chances of it breaking. So we can use that if we line it up right. And then I've trimmed that one up. Could probably do it a little bit more, but I've trimmed the worst of it off. And that fits on there as well. I actually get the feeling at the moment that feels stronger than the original, but PLA, in my opinion, is very unreliable, and it does break. But at the moment, that's fine. Let's see if we can get a close up of the name. I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce that. I just think it's a lovely educational toy. It says 1990 at the bottom there, whether that's actually a date. There we are. Very pleased with that one. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.